Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 8.5 by 20 black Vinos enclosed trailer with Blackout package. We have our jack coupler and safety chains, 24-inch stone guard along the front, bottom portion of your trailer, as well as the V-nose. There is a black screwed exterior along with two 5,200-pound greaseable axles on 15-inch wheels. There is a heavy-duty rear spring-assisted loading ramp. This trailer comes with D-rings at the back and front portion of your trailer for tie-down points, as well as 3/8 plywood walls and 3/4 plywood flooring. There is a 36-inch side door entry with a bar lock, as well as your step. This trailer comes with LED lights. Once again, this is the 8.5 foot by 20 V-nose enclosed trailer with the Blackout package. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.